Hello. Well, I've been a long time user of Canva and I love this program. I use it for any type of graphical creations, but I wanted to see how it was possible to use AI models to actually replace Canva and how far we are from having this in place in general. So for this specific video, I wanted to create a thumbnail, and instead of doing it in Canva, I wanted it done with AI, and I'm using three different models to test this out. There is Seedance, there is Nano Banana Pro, and Flux 2.0. There are three models that can actually do text, because this has often been the big problem of such image generation software, that the text that was rendered was of quite low quality, and also they all have the options to put reference images in as a basis, so that you can start with, for example, your face or a logo or whatever, and then combine this together. So I want to show you what I've done, tested these three models, and give my feedback regarding that. So to do that, I always go to OpenART, which is my go-to place for everything that is image or video creation related to AI. And I have access to all the models there, so only one subscription for all the best models available. In this screen, I've used for all three models this same prompt. I would like to make a video thumbnail for YouTube on the topic of Nano Banana Pro replacing Canva. The image should have the profile picture. This is the profile picture as a background image, and then a crossed out Canva logo, and in front of it a smiling banana with sunglasses. There would be a good visible text saying the end of Canva as a headline. Structure the image for maximum conversion. So this was the starting point for this exercise. So instead of putting things together by yourself and hoping for the best outcome in Canva, I wanted AI to do the job, just providing the guidelines for what I wanted it to do. So let me show you the different results that I got. So first of all, I started. This was done with just let me with Seedream, not Seedance, sorry, Seedream 4.0, and the result is, let's say, so it didn't take the correct logo for Canva in all four cases, and we have the smiling banana, which is nice. The title is okay, but in general it never got the Canva logo correctly. So this is okay, the result is okay, but not perfect in my opinion. Then the next one I tested was Flux 2.0. This, yeah, exactly, Flux 2 Pro, sorry. Again, not the correct logo of Canva. Here we have something similar to it. If I look to that, yeah, the banana is a bit strange, has a strange face. Here it went out of script, so it's now the banana that is crossed out, so not totally perfect. And this is also Flux Pro. The Canva logo is more or less okay, but there is a strange background image in a way. The color is strange, but yeah, quite an okay result. The next one I tested out was actually Nano Pro Plus, Nano Banana Pro. Sorry, I got it. And the first trial I got was this one, which I thought, yeah, I didn't really like the image of the background to be so blurred, but the logo is correct. The banana looks fantastic in my opinion. And here I like the result better, but it's not Canva, it's Canva, okay, and Nano Banana Pro. So I thought that this was the best result I got so far, and I wanted now from Nano Banana Pro to adapt the result. So what I did in the next step is I took this image as a basic, I put it as a reference, and I simply asked it to change the title image to limit it, the title image, so that the text is the end of Canva. And I forgot to add that I wanted the question mark, so I had to do another trial with the question mark, and it gave me these two results. And I thought this is the best result that I've got in the end. I don't know whether you agree with me. Of course, it's always very subjective to to know what works on YouTube or not. Either you need a lot of experience, or you need to be a bit lucky, and sometimes the thumbnail works and sometimes it doesn't. There is a whole science behind that, and I don't have enough experience to really realize what works, what not. What I find important, if I look at this image, let's go there again, is that the catch eye is the banana and the crossed out Canva, and it's supported by the end of Canva, and I'm just the background. I like it, and I don't know whether you agree with me, but that's what I'm gonna use for this specific video. And so to sum up, to conclude, I believe that we are still not capable of replacing Canva for most of the things. We are getting there little by little. What I have to say is that from the three models that I've used in OpenART, Nano Banana Pro was by far the most expensive. It was like 3 times more expensive than the others. So even if the result seems nice, it has a price. And if you correct each time the image, you need more credits, and it can become quite an expensive feat. And if I compare with Canva, where I have like a monthly plan with as much work as I want to do. So as a conclusion, I would say we are not ready to substitute Canva with AI, but it can be a nice workaround for people who don't have time or don't have like a graphical ability to do the thumbnails themselves. Let Nano Banana Pro do it for you, and you will get decent results, I believe. So that was it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and please, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.